Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy XCover Pro, and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So firstly we have to enter the settings, so let's tap on it, and here we have to tap on the display. Now let's scroll down a little in order to find the screen timeout option, so let's tap on it, and here we've got plenty of options to choose from. We can set either 15 or 30 seconds, or 1, 2, 5, 10 or 30 minutes. Right now we've got 30 minutes applied. It was notified before on the first page and right here because this option is marked. So all you have to do in order to change the screen timeout is simply to tap on the time you'd like to use. So I will pick, for example, 5 minutes, just tap on it. As you can see, it is immediately marked, and after getting back you can also see right here that from now on, after 5 minutes of inactivity, this device will black out. So actually that's all. This is how to set the screen timeout in your Samsung Galaxy XCover Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.